you're broke, and it's not just bad luck. There are real reasons why you can't seem to get ahead financially, and I'm about to expose them. If you want to escape the cycle of being broke, stay till the end because I'll show you exactly how to fix it.
Number 1 is relying on one source of income. One paycheck is too risky. If you lose your job, you lose everything. The wealthy have multiple income streams, do you? Number 2 is not investing or saving. If your money isn't growing or expanding, it's shrinking. Inflation makes sure of that. Number 3 is you spend more than you earn, living paycheck to paycheck. If your expenses always match or exceed your income, you'll never build wealth.
So listen up. Here is how to fix it forever. Number 1 is always make sure you have different sources of income. Make legit investments, have side hustles, read books to financial freedom, and implement what you have learned. 2. Track your spending. Always make sure you spend on what you can afford without breaking the bank. Most people have no idea where their money goes, so don't live above your means. 3. Fix your money mindset and have the courage not to settle for less, rather continue building wealth. Now that you know why you're broke, it's time to change that. Comment below which mistake you've made the most, and hit subscribe if you're serious about changing your financial status now to know more.